wabarakatuh. Excellency to Kiai Haji Hasan Mutawakkil Allah SHM as the current Secretary of Zainal Hasan Genggong University. Honorable to Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahabi IMAG as Director of UNZA. Honorable to Mr. Benny Handani MPD as the Lecturer of Psychology, Education and Learning. Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Nafiatul Ramadhani. You can call me Ayu. I'm from Kutil. Okay, to the point, I want to explain about learning burden and difficulties. Okay, to the point, I want to explain about learning burden is a mental condition experienced by someone when they feel bored and tired, resulting in feelings of lethargy, reluctance, and a lack of enthusiasm in engaging in learning activities. Boredom itself literally means full or packed, so it is no longer capable of accommodating anything else. Learning boredom can be experienced by anyone. Learning boredom is often found at the junior high school, senior high school, and university levels. According to observations and information from various sources, boredom in learning often occurs due to prolonged learning activities, fatigue, lack of mastery of the material, or problems with learning equipment that are difficult to overcome. Factor that cause learning burden. Number one is psychological factors. These factors stem from within the student. Students experience tired or fatigue due to their activities. This is one causes learning burden, including laziness, decreased concentration, and some students playing late attention and in class. Some students sometimes appear lethargic during lectures. Some even fall asleep in class during the teaching process. But the teacher does reprimand them. The teacher attention to lethargic students during learning remains insufficient, resulting in a less conducive classroom atmosphere. Is psychological factors. Problems related to the student's mental state arise due to burden with their achievements and a lack of variation in their mental state. Considers that teacher motivation is also very important for mental development during this emerging phase. All kinds of praise from teachers can motivate students in their study. Overcoming learning burden there is three. Number one is implementing varied teaching method. The teacher effort the choosing the right method in educating students is by adapting the method to the student's psychological condition. Number two is approaching the learners. Approaching students experiencing learning burden is crucial. Emotional and genuine interaction is absolutely necessary. Number three is conducting evaluation at the end of each lesson. Teachers are expected to be able to create a conducive learning interaction, because the learning situation can be used as an indicator of teaching success. Learning difficulties. Number one is understanding learning difficulties. Learning disability is a condition that makes an individual have difficulty following learning activities. Learning with learning difficulties are learning who have not been able to meet the learning standards, which are prerequisites for continuing their studies at the next level. Factor causing learning difficulties is there is two internal factor. Number one is psychological factors. Children with different psychical conditions will have different learning experience compared to children who are healthy. From this, we can see that psychical conditions greatly affect learning. Children with malnutrition show lower learning abilities than children who are not malnourished. They easily get tired and quickly become drowsy and have difficulty receiving lesson. Number two is psychological factor. From psychological factors in students, such as number one is mental, number two is talent, number three is motivation, number four is intelligence quality. External factor. Number one is family factor. The family has a role that can influence the learning process. Parents who don't pay attention to their children, poor health, bad habit, sporty family situation, and insufficient learning time can cause learning difficulties for students. Number two is school environment factor. The school environment has a significant impact on student learning difficulties in achieving success. Number three is home environment factors. This factor can receive difficulties because it is a factor closely related to social relationship, so it can cause students to pay less attention to their studies. Okay, I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.